Hello, my name is Zaidi, and I'm gonna talk to you about a architectural graphics lesson, which is usually my first lesson to the freshmen when they come into my class. This is about observing an object and then interpreting it in three different perspectives. So here we go with my first diagram. And this relates to the 10th grade, by the way, and we have some geometry connected with it. We go into the real life applications like building a house, things like that. Now here is an object that I want you guys to observe. Observe it from three different views, and the arrows indicate those three views. After you have seen that, we're going to go to each view and see how it's represented in engineering graphics. This is the drawing that shows how engineers would typically draw this building in three different perspectives, like front view, top view, and right side view. And the drawing has some lines, dotted lines, which represent the items that are not visible to the bare eye from wherever you are looking at. Now going to the same building, but right now we have changed the color so that you can see the front side. Only the colored shapes will be available to look at if you are looking in the direction of the arrow. We call that the front view, and that is your first view that a draftsman will usually make. So this is the front view of a building, and then if you go up in a helicopter or go up and see it from top, you will see the shapes which are available colored in kind of white color, and you have a little hole for the air conditioning, and you have the roof of the floor below. Only those two shapes will be visible. And as you see in the drawing, the top floor view is already colored. It's not black, and you see the whole shape. This is your top view. Again, when you go to the right side of this building and see it from the right side, the shapes colored in different, those are the shapes that you see. You don't see any other shape, any other side of the building except for those. And those are the ones that are drawn on the side, on the right side of your front view. So this is a very brief introduction to the kind of graphics that we draw in the beginning of architectural drawing. From now onwards, you will be going into handling of little objects. Like we will have wooden models that you will have in your hand. You will feel it, you will see it from all sides, and then you will draw their different views. Just remember that you are drawing the views of the same object. So one side of the view will be common to the other view that you are drawing. I think this is all what I can explain to you in about 3 minutes. So congratulations, you have already started on a very good course. You're going to have fun in this classroom, draw different things, and see you till the next lesson. Thank you.